Okay, children. So, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So we are going to start with the new topic, functions. Right, the next heading, functions. Functions. So what is a function? In the previous class, we learned about relation. Relation is a subset of a Cartesian product, isn't it? Relation is a subset of a Cartesian product. Now, what is a function? This one also we have learned last year. Function, domain, codomain, range. So what is a function?
It is a relation in which every element of the domain has a unique image.
Unique image. It is a relation, isn't it? It is a relation in which every element of the domain has a unique image. For example, now listen, I'll show the arrow diagram so that it will be easy for you, your understanding. Okay, suppose you are given a function like this. Suppose A, B. In A, I have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. In B, I'm having the elements X, Y, Z. X is mapped onto 1, 2, 3. Is it a function? Is it a function? Function, what is the definition? Every element in the domain. So which is the domain here? A is the domain. B is the codomain. Every element in the domain has a unique image. Whether each element is having unique image. What is the image of one? One is mapped onto X. So image of one is X. What is the image of two?
Y.
Y. What about the image of three?
Z.
Z. And what about the image of 4? Michael, what is the image of 4?
Z.
Z. Okay. So suppose f is a function, we can denote like this. F of 1 is X, f of 2 is Y, f of 3 is Z, and f of 4 also Z. So here, every element is having unique image. Therefore, it is a function. It is a function. Is it okay? Every element in the domain is having a unique image. Now look at the next one. I'll give another example. Next term. Suppose it is given like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also X, Y, Z, A. Is it a function? Suppose I name this as G. Whether G is a function. What is the image of 1? What is the image of 1? Alvin. Image of 1 is?
Image of one X,
X. What about image of 2?
Y, and A.
Y and A.
D,
Isn't
D,
it? Y and A. So how many images are there for A? For 2. 2 is mapped onto Y and 2 is mapped onto A. Isn't it? F of 2 is Y. Or yeah, sorry, not F, G. G of 2 is Y and G of 2 is A. So if you take this element 2, it is having more than one image. Whether the image is unique? No, isn't it? The image is not unique. Therefore, it is not a function. It is not a function. If it is a function, each element should have a unique image. Every element in the domain should have a unique image. Okay. this is not a function. Now, the next one, suppose I draw a figure like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E. Is it a function? Gayatri, is it a function?
No,
No. Why?
because two have two images.
2 is having 2 image. Okay. Suppose I remove this one. Okay. Now, is it a function?
No,
No. Why?
4 does not have an image.
4 is not having the image. Although the images of this 1, 2, 3 are distinct, 4 is not having an image. Therefore, it is not a function. If it is a function, every element in the domain should have a unique image. Every element should have a unique image. If you take an element in the domain, it should have a unique image. Suppose I take 4. Suppose 4 is mapped onto C. Is it a function now? If we mark 4 to C, will it be a function?
Yes.
Yes. So in this case, it is a function. So can you give which are the elements in domain? What about the elements in domain? Which are all the elements in the domain?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. What about the codomain? Elements in the codomain?
A, B, C, D, E.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E. What is range? What is range?
A, B, C, and E.
Collection of images only will be giving the range. So A, B, C, E. So keep it in mind, range will be a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Range will be a subset of codomain. Is it okay? So what is the definition of function? What is a function? What is a function, Nandana?
A relation in which every element of the domain has a unique image.
It is a relation in which every element in the domain has a unique image. Okay. So the notation, the symbol we use is like this. Suppose I denote like this. Yeah. Then I put 2 dots. X to Y means what does it mean? F is a function from X to Y. Yep. Then we put 2 dots. X to Y means F is a function from X to Y. Suppose we do not like this. G, what does it mean? Achyut, how will you read this? Ah,
G is a function from
yes, Ashwin.
A to
A to B. G is the function from A to B. G, a function from A to B. What is the function, Aditya?
And a function is a relation in which
Hmm.
every element in the domain should have a unique image.
Okay. So this function, in sometimes it will be given, okay, in some cases it will be given like this, a mapping, a function in other terms. Okay, the terms, and if you go through some reference books and all, the terms will be like this, mapping. In some cases, they'll be giving it as transformations. Transformations means it's images. It is transforming. This imaging. Transformation. Okay, some terms are instead of function. G is a transformation from A to B. G is a transformation from A to B means it is a function from A to B. Okay. Now, now listen, children. Once again, few terms we have to learn. Last year we have learned all those things. Just we can recall it. Now, what is the image of A? What is the image of A? Under F. What is the image of A?
1.
1. Can you give the pre-image of 3? What is the pre-image of 3? Atul.
C.
C. Pre-image of sorry. Pre-image of 3 is C. Okay. If f of A is B, listen. If f of A is B, B is said to be the image of A, and A is said to be the image of B. Whenever f of A is equal to B means B is said to be the image of A. B is the image of A. And A is said to be the pre-image of B. This is the pre-image of B. Is it okay? Image, pre-image. Okay. Function, in other words, we use a mapping. Sometimes we call it is a mapping from A to B. It is a mapping from X to Y. Suppose here we have the element X and here we have the element Y. Then what is the notation we will use? Y is equal to f of X. F of X is Y. Under the function F, X is mapped onto Y. So we denote this as f of X is equal to Y. That's why we call it as f of X is a function. F of X is a function. F of X is equal to Y. So all the terms, is it okay? Domain, codomain, range, image, pre-image. Is it clear? Is it okay? Krishna Chandran? This terms, is it okay? Naurin? Naurin, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next heading. Types of function. Types of function. Types of function. We are going to learn different types of function. Under that, first one function. One function. One function or injective function. One function or injective function. Injective function. So what is meant by one function? If distinct, okay, so imagine f is a function from X to Y. A function f from X to Y is said to be 1, 1. It is said to be 1, 1 if distinct elements in X, if distinct elements in X have distinct images. If distinct elements in X has distinct images in Y, then it is said to be 1, 1. Distinct elements have distinct images means it is 1, 1. For example, look at here. Suppose we have 1, 2, A, B, C. Suppose this is F. Is it 1, 1? Whether distinct elements have distinct images? If you take the elements, 1 and 2 are different elements. What about their images? Whether the images are different?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, it is 1, 1. Okay. Now consider the next example. Suppose A, B, 1, 2, 3. Is it 1, 1? Emmanuel, is it 1, 1?
No, ma'am,
Why? Why?
because not say different, you not unique.
Okay, the different elements have the same image. So the same image is shared by two elements. Therefore, images are not different. Therefore, it is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1. So a function f from x to y is said to be a 1, 1. 1, 1 is otherwise called injective function if distinct elements have distinct images. Okay. So equivalently, so what is the equivalent definition? And this is the condition we use. This is the condition we use for solving the problems. For checking 1, 1, this is the equivalent condition we will use. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. F is 1, 1. F is 1, 1 means what do you have to get? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. What does it mean? If images are same, elements are same. Suppose if you take two, okay, if the images are same, f of x1 and f of x2 means images. If the images are same, then elements are same. So f is 1, 1. What is the condition? Equivalent condition. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So next one is onto function. Second one we are going to learn is onto function. Onto function. It is otherwise called surjective. It is otherwise called surjective. What will be onto function? So a function f from x to y is said to be onto. A function f from x to y is said to be onto if every element in y has a pre-image. It has some pre-image. If it has some pre-image, then we call it is onto. If every element has some pre-image, then it is onto. Okay, for example, look at here. Suppose A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it onto? Is it onto?
No,
No, it is not onto, isn't it? Why? Why it is not onto, Pugya?
P does not have a pre-image.
3 does not have a pre-image. Is it 1, 1?
Yes.
Yes, it is not 1, 1, but it is, okay, not onto, but 1, 1. Now I'm trying the second example. Is it onto? Is it onto?
Yes, you are.
Yes, isn't it? Only one element is there, so it is onto, but it is not 1, 1, isn't it? It is not 1, 1. Okay, it is onto, but not 1, 1. Onto function is otherwise called surjective. A function f from x to y is said to be onto if every element in y has some pre-image. If you take some element in y, suppose this is x, every element in y means every element in the codomain. So that is, okay, the next point we are going to write is very important. So F is onto means, very important point children, note down in your formula booklet also. F is onto if and only if codomain will be same as range. Codomain and range are same means It is onto. If codomain and range are same, then it is onto. F is onto means codomain and range are same, equal. Then it is onto. If codomain is equal to range, it is said to be onto. Is it okay, children? If codomain is equal to range, then it is onto.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, another point. If a function is not 1, it is said to be into function. It is said to be an into function. It is not onto, but it is into. The function which is not onto means it is called an into function. Okay, not onto means we call it as into. 1 second, children. In the previous one, okay, in the previous one also you notice if a function is not 1, if a function is not 1, it is called many to 1. If a function is not 1, we call it as many to 1. So note that one. F is not 1 implies F is many to 1. Many elements are to be mapped onto one image. From the word itself, it is there. So it's many elements are mapping onto one element. So it is called many to 1. Not 1 means we call it as many to 1. Okay, 1 function is otherwise called injective. Onto function is otherwise called surjective. Okay, the surjective. Okay. Okay. Many to 1 onto function. Then next one is bijection. Next one is bijection. Bijection. If f from x to y, if f from x to y is both 1 and onto, if f from x to y is 1 and onto, then f is said to be a bijection. Both the things are there means we call it as bijection. A 1 onto function is said to be a bijection. Okay. So F is a bijection. Important points. So if F is a bijection means number of elements in the domain will be same as number of elements in the codomain. Is it clear? Is it correct? If it is a bijection, it is 1, isn't it? So suppose I have 3 elements means all the 3 elements will be having the pre-image. And it is onto. Onto means all the elements over in the codomain will be having pre-image. So number of elements in the domain will be same as number of elements in the codomain. So this is a bijection. It is 1 and onto. A function which is 1 and onto is said to be a bijection. A 1 onto function is said to be a bijection. Okay. Is it okay, children? Is it clear? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show that again?
1 second. Okay. See, all these definitions are there in your textbook. Read the textbook. Underline all these points. Read your textbook. Underline all the definitions and notes. We read the important point which are saying this is important. The other terms. Sometimes it will be given as remark. All these points are important. Is it okay, Michael? Hmm?
Yes, yes.
See, what about the others? Is it okay? The terms and all, is it okay? So in the next period, we'll be doing problems based on this. Okay, now take your textbook. Take your textbook. Okay, now listen here. Function. Function. Okay, the page number. What is the page number? Underline the definition here. Definition, a function f from x to y is said to be onto. So before that,
Ma'am, page number.
page number. Can you give the page number?
7.
7. So types of functions. Types of function. So in the definition 5, underline it. A function f from x to y is defined as 1, 1 or injective if the images of distinct element of x under f are distinct. That is, for every x1, x2 belongs to x, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Otherwise, it is said to be many to one. Okay, if it is not 1, 1, it is said to be many to one. Next is definition 6. Onto. Underline all those things. Go through these definitions. Learn these definitions. A function f from x to y is said to be onto or surjective if every element of y is the image of some element of x. That is, this point is very important. That is, for every element in y, there exists an element x in x such that f of x is equal to y. For every element in the codomain, you can find an element in the domain so that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. Now look at the functions given here. First one, is it 1, 1 and onto? Tell me, f1. Is it 1, 1 and onto? F1. Srihari, is it 1, 1, Srihari? First one, F1.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it onto?
1, 1.
Okay. Is it onto?
No.
No. Okay. Why it is not onto? Why? If it is not, you should give the explanation.
X2 doesn't have other three images.
Which elements are all not having the pre-image?
E and F.
E and F are not having pre-image, therefore it is not onto. Look at the next one. F2. Is it 1, 1 and onto? F2, is it 1, 1? Alvin? F2, is it 1, 1?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Why it is not onto? Give the reason. Why? Is it 1, 1? Is it onto? You should give the explanation. Navrin, explain it, Navrin. F2, is it 1, 1? Is it onto?
It's not 1, 1 or onto.
Why it is not 1, 1?
Because 1 is mapped onto B and 2 is also mapped onto B. So it's not distinct.
Okay. Okay, in other words, what you can say, f of 1 is equal to f of 2. What we can say here, f of 1 is equal to f of 2. Distinct elements have same image. Therefore, it is not 1, 1. Is it onto? It is not onto because E and F are not having the pre-image. E and F are not having the pre-image. Dia, third one, is it 1, 1 and onto?
Not 1, 1.
Is it onto?
Yes.
Yes. All the elements in the codomain is having pre-image. What about the last one? Gayatri, fourth one, F4.
It is both 1, 1 and 1, 2.
It is both 1, 1 and 1, 2. Now look at here. Number of elements in the domain is the same as number of elements in the codomain. Yes, isn't it? So note down this remark. F is onto. F is onto means so f from x to y is onto if and only if range of y is f. Next is the definition of bijective. Underline that one. A function f from x to y is said to be 1, 1 and onto or bijective if it is both 1, 1 and onto. If it is both 1, 1 and onto, it is said to be a bijective function. Next, example 7. Listen here, children. Look at the example. A, B set of all 50 students in class 10 in a school. F is a function from A to N. What is N? Natural numbers. Okay, A is set of all 50 students in the class. And the function f of x is equal to roll number of the students. Okay, f is a function from, we are assigning the function like this. F is a function from A to N. A is number of students in the class. Okay, instead of class 10, you take it as class 11. N is set of all natural numbers. Will it be 1, 1 on 2? Is it a bijection? Is it 1, 1?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Roll numbers will be different.
Roll numbers will be different. Right. No two children will be having the same roll numbers. Okay, each one of them will be having different roll numbers. What about 1, 2?
No.
No.
No. Why?
N is an infinite set.
Natural
Yes,
numbers
very
will
good. It is
expand.
an infinite set. Only for the first 50 numbers we can find the pre-image. For the other things, if there is no pre-image, if it is not. Is it okay? So the function which is 1, 1 and onto, it depends on the set we are selecting. It depends on the sets. Okay, we can discuss more about in the next period. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.